Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric and today I'm going to be unboxing the Syncwire magnetic wireless charger. This is a Magsafe compatible charger for use with iPhone 12 or iPhone 13. But because it is a standard key wireless charger, it could also be used to charge earbuds or headphones or other phones that support key wireless charging. But it does have the magnet built in to be used specifically with a Magsafe phone, and then it also is a stand, which is really cool. So let's open it up and check out everything that comes in the box. Now you do get this little guide that can help you install a magnet on a case that doesn't have a magnet for using the magnetic part. You get your instruction guide here. You get these stickers, which again are to help with if you're installing the magnet for a case that doesn't come with a magnet on it, or a phone that doesn't have magnetic charging. But if you're using this with the iPhone, it's not going to be an issue. And here you can see is that magnet. So they do include this magnet in the phone, in the box. It's a sticker, and you use that guide to get that on there if you're going to be using it that way. Now I'm going to be using this with the iPhone 12 and 13, actually iPhone 13. So I'm not going to need that. And here is the charger itself, and you can see nice, very cool textured surface there. Let's see the kind of texture that has. Nice texture. It's kind of a little bit rubberized texture. So when you set your phone on there, even if it's not an iPhone, or if you're setting earbuds on there, nice grippy texture to hold them on there good. You've got this nice braided nylon cord, really long cord, so that's going to be able to get to your power source without any issues at all. And Type-C on that end. And then also, you might have already noticed, but they do include your 20-watt PD charger to use with this in the box. So there you go. This is a Syncwire, and you can see it doesn't take up a lot of space. Plugs in sideways, so it won't block what's below or above it. Type-C, and this is a PD 20-watt charger, so it'll support power delivery to fast charge an iPhone, or for use with quick charge 3.0 devices. It'll support that as well as, of course, being able to use it with this that it came with. Plug that in there, plug that in the wall, and you get your fast wireless charging. And again, this is magnetic. Now what's really cool is this also is a stand. So you've got this little ring, you pull that out, and then while your phone's on there, you can use that as a stand, which is really cool. So really awesome product by Syncwire. I mean, you get a charger that's a PD 20-watt charger. You get your magnetic Magsafe compatible key wireless charger, and it also can dub as a stand for your phone, which is great. And it also can be used to wirelessly charge other phones, as well as earbuds or anything else that is compatible with key wireless charging, and with a nice long braided cord. So I mean, this is amazing. And then just as a bonus, if you need it, you also get that magnetic backing and the guide to help you install that. So really excellent product, and that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. I will be doing a full demo and review of this product in the future, so stay tuned for that. I'll have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon, so you can click that link, jump over there, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews, or favorite this playlist. Share this video with anyone you think might be interested, and that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.